They were so into you at the first, texting all the time, making plans, and then out of nowhere they pulled away. What happened? Did you do something wrong? Did they lose interest? The truth is, it's not what you think. And once you understand this, you will never chase clarity again. Most people assume when someone pulls away, it means I wasn't enough, I ruined it, I need to fix this. But here's the truth, it's not always about you. It's about them and the way you respond next that changes everything. Understand why they pulled away. There are three main reasons someone suddenly distance. Fear of intimacy. They like you, but the deep connection scares them. Emotionally, unavailable. They never intend to get close. Lost interest. It was fun, but they weren't looking for something real. Whatever the reason, your job is not to chase them for answer. It is to see the truth and respond with self-respect. The biggest mistake one can do is obsessing over why. If someone is distancing themselves, their actions are your answers. If they wanted to stay, they would. If they valued the connection, they'd show it. If they're uncertain, let them be uncertain without you. Don't try to win them back. Your value doesn't increase by proving your worth for staying for. If you chase, beg, you lower your own worth. Instead, match the energy. If they pull away, step back. If they stop reaching out, stop initiating. If they don't value you, walk away. This is where the real power is. Instead of focusing on why they pull away, ask yourself, what is this teaching me about my own worth? Why am I drawn to people who don't fully choose me? How can I attract someone who shows up fully? The more you value yourself, the less you will tolerate inconsistency. You don't need closure. You don't need to change their mind. What you need to choose yourself, because you're the right person. They won't pull away. They will show up fully, completely, without hesitation. Struggling with relationship, get clarity and break the cycle once and for all. DM me worth for 30 minutes free coaching session. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and I see you in my next video.